Right now, the Nifty is open with actually flat really, not too much of a red either. So flat for the benchmark index, not too different for the Sensex either. The broader markets too, the CNX mid cap or the CNX small cap index, both of these indices are flat in the session. And again, no surprise really. Ahead of the policy, I think most traders would want to play it light, either on the long side or on the short side. However, nail it down to specific stocks on the Nifty, and I think Power Grid would be the top newsmaker. It's not down 4%, it's down 2.5%, but down nevertheless. That aside, ICICI Bank has corrected the 1.5%. I'm glad people took on board that on HDFC Bank, what's come out are only estimates and no official thing, because the stock is not down, it's in the green. Of course, a large part of selling got over yesterday as well, I would presume. But in the green is HDFC Bank. Bank of Baroda, marginal bit of red. Axis Bank, marginally in the red. Some green on the screen in form of pharma. So Lupin is up 1.5%. Sun Pharma has got a bit of green on the screen, so close to 0.5% up for that one. ITC is up close to 0.5%. Bajaj Auto 0.5% in the green. So there's nothing really on the large caps at least. I mean, marginal losses for some of the banking names. Power Grid, the top loser, and Lupin amongst the stocks, which is holding up with a bit of green on the screen.
Spark or Sun Pharma advanced research company would be one in focus, considering the US FDA has now written to Spark saying that they cannot okay the new drug application for venlafaxine in the present form. So that is one stock which is going to be in focus. Apollo Tyres, and clearly the news flow continues. Yesterday turned out to be an excellent day. Today as well, just a smidge in the green as we speak. Hero MotoCorp, there are news reports, it seems, that may be sub-licensing Honda's technology to some overseas players. Hero MotoCorp, again, a flat start coming in there as well. Tesco is looking to invest about $110 million in India. So Trent, that is the stock which is in focus, and what a whopping start it has been. 8.5% up in the green for Trent. Good going for that particular stock. PSU banks are going to be in focus. So let's just see, or in fact the entire banking pack I should say. SPI starts off in the green, PNB starts off flat, HDFC Bank in the green, ICICI Bank, SBI, BOB, these were all losers in trade yesterday. In fact, I just want to see what the Bank Nifty futures itself are doing. They too will just come up for you on your screens. The Bank Nifty lying absolutely flat as we speak. Those are some of the stocks which are in focus. The domestic roadshows for IOC divestment are going to begin today and on December 20th. IOC again has had a very, very quiet start. McLeod Russell was somewhat of a mover yesterday. Ranbaxy, Bharti were all gainers. McLeod puts on another 1% in trade yesterday, or rather today. HCL Technologies, Hexaware, Lupin, Glenmark. So clearly the defensive tilt of the market is continuing. And by the way, it's not just Trent, but future retail as well, which is the top notcher right now on the F&O list. A 2% bump up coming in there.